Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete playlists on TikTok. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. You can delete a playlist entirely without deleting the video in it. If the shared playlist is deleted, the link you sent to your friend will no longer work. And let's start it. So first of all, you can open your TikTok. You can tap on your profile, and now as you can see, I have two playlists on my TikTok account, on my TikTok profile. And now I want to delete one of them. It's so simple. So you can just tap on the gear icon beside the playlist here. And you can see here's the playlist. You can choose on the playlist that you want to delete. I will choose this one. You can tap on the playlist. Now you can tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. There is an option share playlist and delete playlist. Because we want to delete this playlist, you can just choose on delete playlist. If you delete this playlist, you won't be able to recover it. Your videos will still be saved. So when you delete this playlist, your video will still save on your TikTok profile. You can tap on delete. Now let's go back. Now the playlist has been deleted, has been removed from your profile. It's so simple, right? So that is how to delete playlists on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.